Hello everyone, this is Dharmendra Sharma. We are covering chapter 6. In my previous video, we have seen skin related injuries like contusion, abrasion, and laceration and their treatment steps. In this video, we will discuss about muscles related injuries. The first is cramp. Cramp is inability of muscles to contract properly, causing severe pain over affected part. In the other words, this is unbalanced contraction of muscles. The causes of cramp are due to overtraining, loss of body water while sweating, physical activity during sickness, loss or lack of body salt or minerals, performing physical activity during extreme bad weather or climate, not performing proper warming up, etc. First aid and management of cramp. Number 1. Complete rest to the affected individual. Drink sufficient water. Massage over affected part. If pain is more, apply ice or cold compression for some duration. Preventing overexertion of muscles in excessive hot or cold climate. Next we have muscle strain, pulled muscles. Strain injury is also named as muscle pull. It is the injury of muscles which is caused by overstress or overstretch of muscles or due to violent pull. The symptoms of strain or muscle pulls are acute pain around the affected part, loss of function of injured muscles, local inflammation and swelling over the affected part. Here we can see the few pictures also, the common muscle sprain or muscle pull injuries. The first aid and management of strain injury. The treatment and management steps of strain injury is referred as PRISER. PRISER you know, prevention, rest, ice, compression, elevation and rehabilitations. The first is preventive steps should be considered. Rest to player and completely restrict the movement of affected part. Immediately apply cold compression. Compression bandage should be applied over the affected part. Elevate the affected part above the level of heart by splint or sport. After 2 days, apply inflammatory cream to reduce swelling. Then after treatment is over, the complete recovery is gained by rehabilitations. Then we have muscles sprain. It is the injury of ligament or tendon around the joint. It occurs due to overstretching of ligament or twisting of joint. In sprain injury, there is a rupture of ligaments or tendons. Sprain is very painful and it restricts the movement of joint. Sprain injury is commonly to knee, ankle, wrist or elbow. It can be prevented by proper warming up and avoiding jerky movements. The common muscle sprains, you can see the pictures also. Torn anterior cruciate ligament ACL, torn medial collateral ligament MCL, tennis elbow, runner knees, sprained ankle, and plantar facilities. These are the few pictures where we can see the common muscle sprain injuries. The first aid and management of sprain injury. The treatment and management steps of sprain injury is referred as Prisor. About Prisor, you know the prevention, rest, ice compression, elevation and rehabilitations. All these are the following steps where we can give the proper first aid to the sprain injuries. Dear students, in my next video, we will see the sports related injuries, bone. Till the time, take care and thank you very much.